Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapas. So this is the video number 2 of my weekly series relating to the new management skills. So today I will be talking about preparing an effective work to do list. Creating a work to do list can be simple, starting by jotting down tasks, prioritize them and break larger tasks into smaller manageable steps. Considering using tools like apps or a physical planner to organize and then track your progress. Sure. But if you go into detail, I would like to tell you some more steps which help you to create an effective work to do list. Number one, capture all the tasks, write down everything you need to accomplish. This ensures nothing gets overlooked, whether it is a small or big task. Try to make the list for a week to start from maybe Monday to Friday. Write down due date next to each and every task on your master list. This will help you as you are making your daily to-do list. When you have a large numbers of tasks, it can easy to let things accidentally slip out of your mind. So it is very important that you jot down all your list each day and go over the master list and make sure that you include any task that is upcoming with due dates. If there is a no due date for a particular task, decide on a realistic date that you will like to be have to be done by. If you aren't setting up a goal for yourself, the the less urgent thing may never will come again. Second part, prioritize tasks. Identify the most important and time sensitive tasks. Use methods like matrix urgent important to prioritize effectively. See what is most important and urgent or what is relevant at the particular time. It is very important to prioritize correctly. Otherwise, you won't be able to complete your work to do list. Then break tasks into the smaller step. Divided largest task into smaller actionable step. That makes it easier to tackle and track progress. Prepare a project plan, then divide the work according to the steps involved, which make your life much easier to accomplish your work. Then, realistic goals. Be realistic about what you can achieve in a day. Avoid overloading your list with too much work, which hamper your focus and prevent burnout. Be realistic in setting goals, including all the time that will spend on unplanned thing in a workplace. Then obviously use a constant format, whether it is a physical notebook, app, or a digital tool, or a Samsung phone with a stylus. It is very easy and it helps you to track your work without looking here and there if you're writing in a same journal or a notebook or a phone. Writing absolutely everything down, you will get you of your mind onto a paper. It will ensure you don't forget anything and hopefully it will also help your mind feel less uh, cramped. The running list of every single task you have on your radar will be referred to as your master list. Then include deadlines. Assigning a deadline to a task, especially if they have to be specific time constraint like month-end activities or the activities that you have to perform on a workday one workday two, or workday three, should be there. Then include flexibility. Allow some flexibility for unexpected tasks or changes in priorities. Don't overcrowd your list because you never know when you receive an ad hoc work from your manager or maybe the stakeholders. At the end of the each day, review what you accomplished and adjust your list for the next day. Carry forward the unfinished tasks and reprioritize if necessary. It will help you to keep a or your keep diary updated. Consider contest and the energy level. Match tasks to your energy level throughout the day. Reserve high energy time for most challenging tasks. For then use categories or labels. Group similar kind of tasks together with a simple category or a label. This will help you to focus on a specific areas of your work. Then obviously celebrate achievement, acknowledge and celebrate completed tasks to stay motivated. Regularly update and cleanses, periodic review of your to-do list and remove or delegate tasks that are no longer relevant or necessary. Outsource any tasks you can or maybe delegate. After you listed the things that you need to do, decide what you can do or which we can take help of our team. This is especially important if you are overwhelmed with work and crunch for time. Don't be afraid to ask for help, delegate duties, and assist the urge to micromanage. If you doesn't need to be on your day-to-day radar, remove that work. Making your list aesthetically pleasing is also very important. This may sound superficial or unnecessary, but it really helps and can change the way you look at your to-do list. Write or type it on a favorite color, write it on a piece of stationery, post it on a pretty bulletin board or maybe on your desktop, or create a sleek document on your smartphone. Just create a list that always inspire you to stay motivated and get the things checked off. Then obviously share your list with someone. It can be done or not, it depend upon your individual preference, but sometimes people can share it to a friend or a co-worker or maybe with your manager, just to make sure that it is someone who will check upon your list and inquire about your progress. You probably won't feel very good if you tell someone you didn't check anything off your to-do list for a while through the day. It makes me nervous at least. Remember, the key is to create a system that works for you and your supports your productivity. Adjustment can be made based on your preferences and the nature of your work. So friends, if you all like my thought, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, comment it, and visit my website in the same name. Or you want to learn about a new topic, please share and comment on that also. So till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.